everybody, Martina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my German potato salad. There are two versions of it. One is without mayonnaise and the other one is with mayonnaise. Of course, there is a vegan version of mayonnaise. So I'm gonna make this potato salad for the weekend, and my daughter, she's allergic to soy, so I will make one batch without the mayonnaise for her. And what I have here already, I have a big bag. Well, I don't know, I don't have a recipe for this, so I didn't weigh anything. This is a good bag of potatoes. They're all cooked, not too soft, so they're still that you can cut it nicely with a knife. And those are cold potatoes now, and they're cubed in little size, any size you want. So I have this, but first I'm gonna make my juices, get all these things ready. What I have first is, of course, you cannot have a German potato salad without pickles. So this is about 6 pickles, your favorite kind. It doesn't matter which ones those are. I might have to add more to it because it looks a little bit skimpy and I don't want it to be skimpy. Then I have an onion, finely chopped onion, so you just need one. Don't put too much in because I have only white onions and they're pretty strong. Of course, you always need dill. This is dry dill from my garden. I'm just gonna grab a spoon. So I try not to get the big chunks here. I would say a good teaspoon. You need pepper. I would say about half a teaspoon of pepper. You always adjust this later for your taste. You need salt. I have sea salt. 1 teaspoon. Again, I don't have a recipe. So at this point you need some liquid, and what I just gonna do is I use some pickle juice. I would say a cup. And then I'm gonna add my potatoes. It is such a quick and easy recipe. No big deal whatsoever. So you just give it a good stir, and then you need to adjust things. Because you don't want the potato salad to be super dry. So I will add more pickles, more pickle juice. Make sure this is your favorite kind, so you like the taste of the juice. Then I'm gonna add about a good tablespoon of mustard. So at this point, if you want to do your potato salad without mayonnaise, you have to add a little bit more stuff. So you will have to add some vinegar to give it a little bite to it. Today I'm just gonna use some coconut vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. I would only do about 2 tablespoons. And then you give it a stir, you taste it and see if you need to add more pepper and salt. You can also add some cut up red bell peppers. This looks nice and juicy. Let's have a taste. Just a little bit more salt and pepper, and then we're good. Again, I do have so many. When I cook, I hardly ever use a recipe. After a while, you know your taste, you know your preference. So this here with the pepper and salt, the vinegar, you just do it how you like it. You start with a little bit and then you add more. So this would be the potato salad now, which I will give to my girl, and I don't have to worry about her feeling sick afterwards. I forgot to add more pickles. I will do that too. Another taste. That's good. So by now I have about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, about a teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of mustard, 1 onion, a teaspoon of dry dill, and about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of pickle juice. And right now it's about 6 pickles. So this will be, I made a batch before already, so I took some off, and because it was so yummy, and my husband and I, we decided we need to eat this right now, and then it wasn't enough for my guests on Sunday. So I had to start all over again. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some mayonnaise. You can use any brand you like. There's no particular flavor or brand. I'm just gonna add a couple of spoonfuls. There you go. You know what the cool thing is about potato salad? It is full of resistant starch. I don't know if you know anything about it, but resistant starch feeds your lower gut bacteria, and it's so amazing with the calorie thing, and you should read up on it. There is a lot more to it, and it has to do with cold potatoes, so the starches need to be cold, and you don't eat your potato salad warm, at least I don't. There you go. Wow. Oh, I haven't made this for so long. I don't know why. This is so good. There you go. I'm gonna show you the picture here, what it in the bowl looks like. I'm gonna serve it on Sunday with some hot dogs. I have some Eve's Mediterranean sausages. I use them for hot dogs, and some raw sauerkraut. And I'm so looking forward. I made already a banana bread cake. So yeah, I'm all set here, and this was a super quick recipe and a super quick video. I hope you like it. Please show me your love. Don't forget to push the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you didn't do so yet. I'm gonna see you soon. Have a great week. Stay healthy and happy. Until then, cheers.